Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be talking about two best intraday stocks for tomorrow and top news for tomorrow. Okay, so before that, let's see how the market has performed today. So today the market has gone up. Yes, the market was bit bullish today and the market has closed in the upper section today. So around 22,194 is where the market has closed today, and the most gained indices for the day are Nifty Reality, Nifty Consumer Durables, and Nifty Healthcare. Okay, and Nifty Pharma also has gone like 0.57% up, and Nifty IT 0.72% up. And the most declining or losing indices for the day is Nifty Oil and Gas with 0.73% down, and Nifty PSU Bank with 0.56% down, and Nifty Media with 0.63% down. So this is how the indices has been performed today, and this is how the market has performed today. And today we have traded on TechM and we were able to book the profit. And if you want to see the full live trading video, the link is given in the description below of this video. And the two best stocks what I've selected for tomorrow's intraday trading is Relaxo and MGL, and I'll be telling you the analysis of these two stocks with my unique calculation way and no indicators. Okay, and please note this video is only for educational purpose. I'm not telling you buy or sell here. It's only a brief level and range analysis only. Okay, and also if you guys want to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit, no complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join my course, with my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skills to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join us, you get personal live market daily support as well. Okay, and also you can just go inside my channel and watch a lot of educational videos and daily live trades what I've uploaded from almost 5 years plus on consistent basis. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit in intraday trading, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and contact me personally and discuss with me personally. Okay, so now let's talk about the top news for tomorrow. So first news is from Airtel. So the Airtel stock has gained 1.6% today. It's not about it has gained 1.6% today, but the share has gained 16% in last 3 months, whereas the Nifty 50 has only gone up by 12%, but the Bharti Airtel return has given almost like 16% of return. Okay, so yes, so Airtel stock has been done in a bullish way for last couple of days. And the next news is from metal stocks, that is Tata Steel, JSW, JSPL and SAIL. So shares prices are rise up by 46% in last 6 months. Okay, so this metal stocks have gone up till almost 46% in the last 6 months. And the next news is from Maruti Suzuki. Maruti Suzuki partners with Union Bank of India for dealers for finding them financing solutions. Okay, so Maruti Suzuki India on Tuesday said it has linked an initial pact with Union Bank of India for dealer financing solutions. The tie-up enhances the comprehensive inventory funding options for over 4,000 Maruti Suzuki sales outlets across the country. So to boost the sale of Maruti Suzuki cars, they are linking with Union Bank to find the financing solutions. And the next news is from ICICI. So ICICI Bank up stakes in ICICI Lombard General Insurance buys 1.4% of the take. So ICICI banks buy 1.4% stake in ICICI Lombard General Insurance. And the next news is from Zydus. That is Zydus license rupees 600 crore buyback offer is to open on February 29th. So Zydus is doing the buyback thing. So they're opening for rupees 600 crores buyback on February 29th. So if just to note that, so on 29th there will be a Zydus buyback of shares. Okay, so these are the top news for today, and now let's talk about the stock analysis for tomorrow. So the first stock is Relaxo. So for Relaxo, what you have to do is just see the opening price tomorrow and add opening price plus 12 to find out the maximum high what the stock might go for tomorrow, and opening price minus 12 to find out the maximum low what the stock might touch for tomorrow. Opening price plus 6 to find out the key resistance level, and opening price minus 6 to find out the key support level on Relaxo stock for tomorrow. And the next stock is MGL. So for MGL, just see the opening price tomorrow and add opening price plus 20 to find out the maximum high what the stock might go for tomorrow, and opening price minus 20 to find out the maximum low what the stock might go for tomorrow. Opening price plus 10 to find out the key resistance level, and opening price minus 10 to find out the key support level on MGL stock for tomorrow. Okay, and please note this video is only for educational purpose and only the brief range calculation. But once you join us personally, I'll be guiding you more in detail and in depth. I'll be telling you the stock selection process, proper entry exit process and everything. Okay, this is just a brief video, so this is only for educational purpose. If you guys want to join us and learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and discuss with me personally. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.